Hello everyone, I'm Shauna. Welcome back to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for your support. And if you're new here, please like and subscribe for more Scentsy and home fragrance content. Got my box here. I got 3 Fiesta Limes. You guys, I love this. I love lime scents, but Scentsy's dish soap, I can't speak, is wonderful. So the scent notes, let's see if they're on here. I don't think they are, but the scent notes are lime. I think there's maybe lemongrass and ginger, but it just smells like a lime Skittle to me. One of the green Skittles, the original Skittles. They replaced lime with apple. What's up with that? That's so unoriginal. Apple is so boring compared to lime. But see if I can get this off. No, doesn't want to come off. But lime Skittles, love. And you guys, please remember to bundle and save. I actually did a video on that, and I'll link it up here for you. But go to the specials tab and click bundle and save, and then you can bundle and save like dish soaps. You can do the bars, buy 5 get 1 free. You can do like warmer and wax combinations. So just always remember to do that, because Scentsy does not automatically populate that for you. You have to actually physically go into bundle and save. Okay, so I just want to make sure. Now they have updated the website recently, where like if you go into the Scentsy wax bars, they'll show you at the top bundle 3, bundle 6, that type of thing. But just remember to do that, because who doesn't want free wax and a discount, you know? Then I also picked up 25 watt light bulbs, because most of my warmers are the 25 watt bulbs. And then I picked up 2 of the new Minnie Mouse fragrance, Totally Minnie. Got 2 of these, and this smells like candy. Now I have already started warming a bar of this. It's very light. I had to bump it up to 3 cubes in the 25 watt warmer, and then I could actually smell it in the room. But this smells like watermelon, apple, sugary candy. Sort of, but I also get a lemon vibe, and there's no lemon in this, but it sort of smells like pink lemonade, like pink lemonade candy. If you like candy-like scents, definitely give Minnie Mouse a try. And then I did the bundle and save, and I did 2 of them, I think. Yeah. So I got some more Vanilla Waves. I love this. This is one of the new releases. This is like sticky caramel, vanilla, and sea salt, and this smells like butter cookies. That's what this smells like to me. So delicious, and it's a strong performer too. I love this, but I love bakery scents. So cookies, yes, like authentic butter cookies. That is what Vanilla Wave smells like. Love it. So I got 3 more of those. And then I picked up Bonfire Beach. I got 3 bars of this. And you guys, I did not know how much. Isn't that the color of the wax is so beautiful. And there's the label. But I did not know how much I would love this. This is delicious. This Bonfire Beach is... It's like ocean, sea salt, air, perfumey, marshmallows with a slight toastiness. Like slightly toasted marshmallow, because I don't really like cedar wood and like strong toasted fragrances. But this is like a gently toasted sweet marshmallow with like a perfumey, I don't want to say aquatic because it's not aquatic, but it really smells like air, like fresh perfumey air with a lightly toasted marshmallow. And it's so pretty, and it's a strong performer. Even in a mini warmer, I can still smell this in my bedroom. It's yummy, and I love this, and I don't know why I slept on this for so long. So I'm loving Bonfire Beach now. So glad it returned, so I had a chance to experience it. And then for my other 6-pack, I got 2 sugared strawberries. I love this. Cute, cute label. And I love the color of this wax too. It's like a reddish pink. Oh, this is sugary candy-like strawberry. It smells candy-like. But then there's also a freshness to it. So I think it has like a drop of lemon. So it's like sugary candy strawberry with like a touch of citrus. It's yummy. It is on the lighter side though. It's on the lighter side, so I bump up my cubes to like 2 cubes in one warmer, or 3, depending on the size of the room. And I actually like to mix this not in the same warmer. I never have good experience when I mix in the same warmer. I'm going to be honest with you. But I do alternating warmers. This and Happy Birthday creates like a strawberry pound cake vibe. So yummy. Oh, I actually got 3 of these bars. So I got 3 sugared strawberries. And then I picked up my beloved apple cherry strudel. Oh, here's the color of the wax. And oh my gosh, you guys, if you love bakery scents, you have to try this. And apple typically is boring to me. I mean, I guess because it's been done so much. I mean, it's fine. It's nothing to me. But the cherry in this note, this smells like a cherry strudel. Authentic cherry strudel. You get that authentic crust note. I don't know how Scentsy does it, but it is so authentic. And the thing I love about wax and warmers is, I mean, you don't lose that bakery note. Like, pretty much what it smells like on cold is pretty much what you're going to get. Now, Scentsy fragrances do go through like transitions where you'll get more of this note when you first put it in, and then midway through you'll get more of this note will come out, and then finally the finish. So it does do that, but it smells so delicious, like an apple, like a cherry strudel, sugary with icing, and you get like just a like a hint of spice. Not, I hate cinnamon. Let me be clear about that. So it's like a very like dusting of spice. It's authentic. It's delicious. Now this one, the performance isn't the best. It comes out of the gate swinging, and it's fierce, and you can smell it, and it's like, oh, I love this. And then it just goes away a few hours later. It's just gone. It doesn't say goodbye. It's gone. But I love it so much, I don't care. And I actually may want to bump up the cubes, because I found when you bump up the cubes for the fragrances that tend to disappear, it gives them more longevity. So I may try 2 cubes of this. It's such a strong performer, I didn't think I needed to, but now that I'm thinking about it, I think I'll try 2 cubes in the warmer and see if it lasts longer. That's apple cherry strudel. Love it. And then I got lemon sorbet. I love lemon scents, and I don't know why I haven't tried this one. Well, lemon scent, I love citrus. Let me rephrase it. I love citrusy scents. Lemon sometimes can come across as like a lemon cleaner, or it can just be a little bit too much. But it is like a cleaner lemon. But it's like a zesty, slightly cleaner type lemon vibe, but it's got a ton of sugar in it, which gives it like a sweetness, like almost like a country time lemonade sweetness. And then I think this has grapefruit in it too, so it gives it like this zing. I haven't warmed this yet, but I'm going to try this in my kitchen because it's delicious. It has so much like sweetener and sugar, maybe even vanilla. I don't think vanilla's in the scent description, but I think I smell vanilla, which I love that. So yeah, lemon sorbet. I'm excited to try that. And then I picked up peach nectar. Beautiful packaging. Isn't that cute? And this is peach nectar with I think they said billowy, musky clouds. Oh, but I love peach scents, and this was, I believe this was a new release last year. But I love this, and the reason I got this is because I love Love and Kisses Minnie, which is now retired. And peach nectar smells very, very similar, so I want to do a comparison. So peach nectar, you get like this sweet peach and vanilla. And that's where I get peaches and vanilla. Now, Loves and Kisses Minnie, I think it says apricot and berries and vanilla. But I can barely tell these apart. Love and Kisses Minnie smells like peaches and vanilla. That's what it smells like. I love this. I hate that I did not put this in my Scentsy club. I don't know what I was thinking. But I love this one. And it's a strong performer too. But on cold sniff, I think they're very similar. So if you like one, you will like the other. But I think Love and Kisses Minnie has a little bit more sugar than peach nectar. But they're so similar. So definitely give peach nectar a try. If you love Love and Kisses Minnie, you can't get this anymore if it's not in your club. So, yes. So, can't wait to warm peach nectar. I think I'm putting that one in today. Today, I'm like, I have to get this video up so that I can go ahead and start warming. I'm like, I get so excited. Like, when I see that Scentsy box on my porch, I'm like, it's real. It's not that exciting, but yes, it is. It's exciting. I love home fragrance. I love things that smell delicious. So now for the warmer, I got the Fabulous Feathers warmer. Oh, this is a new release. It's a 25 watts. And I'm so excited. So excited for this. Like I need any more warmers. You guys, my warmer collection is getting out of hand. Like really. But I can't help it. So, oh, so pretty. It's like this like clear pinkish tint. And go ahead and screw in my light bulb. Okay, oh my gosh. This is, oh, I love gold. Okay, online did not do this justice. And this is 6.5 inches. It's the same height as the Cast Pink Warmer of the Month that is still currently available as I'm filming this video. Same height as that, only instead of it being a frosted iridescent pink like the other one, it's like this clear pink. And I'm loving the gold. I love golds, obviously. You guys, if you notice, I wear a lot of gold jewelry. I love gold and I love pink. So how can you go wrong? So let's see. Lit. Oh, I don't know if you can see. It's so bright. Very bright, but oh my gosh. I think I like it better not lit though. What do you guys think? Can you even see it? But it's so pretty. I love this. And it's the same height as the other warmer, so I feel like I could put them on like my end tables or something. Oh, I like it better not lit, I think. What do you guys think? But love this. Love it. I believe it's $45. I think it's $45, but I think that's it. Yeah. My box is empty. So comment and let me know what you think. If you tried any of these products. If you think that peach nectar smells like Love and Kisses Minnie. Or am I alone in my opinion of that? But thank you so much for spending the past few minutes with me. And if you found this content helpful, please like and subscribe. And I will see you in my next video. Stay safe, guys. Bye.